How do you like the rain?
I hate it.
There's great big raindrops. It's crazy. Like out of there? Huh. Frank's fancy new roof for the chicken house. I never did get around to showing that. Look at the whirly bird that he painted. And look at the little shower. Gee, if it would do that, well, if it would have done that, we would have some hay, but... Now see the little chicks? They sometimes like me and sometimes don't.
Hey, little guys.
That's awful hot, isn't it? I think they're free to come all in front here and stuff. Because it's so hot, right? Pretty cool. Oh, too hot for you today, isn't it, Jill? Enjoy the rain. Look at the drops. Wow. The ground's almost covered. It smells like rain now. Oh yeah, there's a cloud that opened up there. Huh. Just a freak little shower. You enjoying the rain, ma'am? I think that's it. It's just a little line of clouds. Oh well. It's so dry it is in front of the chicken house. And this grass here, I don't think it was mowed last year. And it's not mowed this year so far. It's about 3-4 inches tallest of it. And it's all burnt back here. Where the grass is, where the cows grazed earlier. Green grass there, I guess. Shower's over.